Díomh is Bhí George Adequate agus seoladh an t-amhrán Shipwrecked. We didn't like to think that there was anything amiss. Our ship too true to sing as we kissed and we found when we shivered in the cold. Choppy seas, I'm feeling sick. The nights will come again, we're nothing more than there and then. You always said there's no time for living when you're gone. And we should know who we are. Yeah, we should know who we are. And divorced ourselves from reason, hidden slights and other treasons. Gallant was the fight, my blistered hands, my grinding teeth, my naked heart set aside, cursed and drowned, tempted by foreign shores, lesser lords calling out. We didn't hear them, trusted, kept our feet on rocky ground, worn out and bleeding. And we should know who we are. You should know who we are. You should know who we are. You should know. You should know. Through battered eyes and tattered sails, our time was fraught from the beginning, a mistake for even trying. But irrespective of collective thought, abandoned sorrow's hold, I fought, I found release, and there's still a piece of me here. But I've grown old every time it's taken. I've grown old every time it's taken. Yeah, I've grown old every time it's taken. Yeah, I've grown old every time it's taken.
Sheinm.